Oscar. There's a koi with my Oscar, and pretty. Yeah, the Oscar koi, they kind of became friends. That Oscar has been growing too fast. And yeah, he's about, I would say, a good, almost 4 inches. So, yeah, final Oscar, but he's picking up some blackness, so it's hard to see on the side of the tank because of all the algae. It's my black guppies. Really see the please, but they're in here. Don't know where they're at, but can't really see it in the video. That's pretty much it.